What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm going to show you how I make a brisket on my Traeger Pellet grill. This is just a 3-pound small brisket that we had for a small meal, but you can smoke any size brisket you like. Look how tender and juicy that meat is. We paired it with our favorite barbecue side dishes. So as I mentioned, you can grab any size brisket. This one is just a 3-pounder, and I'm gonna rub this down in my homemade barbecue seasoning and rub. And you can use any of your favorite seasonings, but just make sure that brisket's really coated. This is a really thick cut of meat, and you wanna make sure that those spices penetrate that meat. You're gonna refrigerate this for at least 4 hours to allow those spices to seep into the meat. And then once you're ready, grab that brisket from the fridge. I don't allow it to come to room temp because I like to get a nice smoke ring on my brisket, and I start at night. You wanna smoke brisket slow and low, so I start off with a temperature of 175 degrees, put that on the smoker right before I go to bed. Once I wake up and that brisket has reached an internal temperature of at least 150 degrees, I pull it off that smoker and we're gonna wrap it because we want to get some moisture into that brisket. We wanna make sure that it's staying tender and juicy. So at 150 degrees, I'm gonna grab some aluminum foil or butcher paper. I prefer butcher paper because I feel like it's a lot more breathable than foil, and you can still get that smoky flavor penetrating into the meat with this. And so I'm gonna rub this down with some butter and apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna add my brisket here, and then I'm gonna drizzle butter and apple cider vinegar over that brisket. Again, this is gonna help us get it nice and juicy. Once we start wrapping this, you wanna wrap it really, really tight because again, you wanna seal in the moisture. You don't want it to seep out. So we're gonna wrap this and place it back on our smoker. From here, I increase the temperature to 250 degrees. And then we're gonna smoke it until it reaches an internal temperature around 203 degrees or 205. And as you can see, this brisket is worth the wait.